Okay, so we've now come to the final part of the hand lesson. We're now going to establish the pinky finger, and we're also going to establish the bone structure here for the palm, and of course take a look at the bottom over here. So what you want to do is go ahead and right click on the figure, make sure that it's selected, make sure that your snapping is enabled, you're back on increment over here. Switch to the edit mode under meshes, edges, make sure you still have your shortcut key enabled. So now in the previous lesson we hit all this, so I'm just going to do Alt H to bring everything back, A to deselect. First click on the edges over here, and what you want to do is just rotate it like this. Again, you can select, let's say this, actually let's go ahead and select on this edge, press the period key. It's easier to rotate around this hand. Now I'm just going to do shift and middle mouse button. You want to click on this edge, shift key down, and this one. Then shift middle mouse button to pan over here. Having the shift key down, click on this one and this edge. You should have deselected. Now over here, we're going to do this a little differently. Press the shift key down, click on this one, just rotate over here and then click on this edge, okay? We're going to do X and you're going to go ahead and delete the edges. It's going to create these holes over here, and I'll explain why we're doing this in a second. What you want to do is first come over here. You're going to click on this one, shift key down this one, and you're going to press the F key. This will create a face. Now the reason this is going to work is obviously is because there are 4 vertices that define this edge, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you click F, because there are 4, it becomes a quad. Now you're going to do the Alt key down and click on this edge over here. So if I do Z to show you, it should select this ring. Just press the F key. It'll create a quad. To rotate it like this, Alt, click on this edge so you see the circle, and do F. Now rotate over here, do the same thing, click on this edge first, make sure you're selecting this edge and not something inside. Shift key down, click on this edge, do F, do the same thing, Alt, click on this, do F, click on the Alt key, click on this edge, do F, okay, A to deselect. So now this is going to be a little different, okay? You're going to click on this edge and you're going to rotate over here, shift key down, and then this one. You're going to do F and it's going to do the same thing. Now you'll notice that over here, if I do Alt and let's say click on this edge, it's going to select this whole thing. We can just do F and this will create an n-gon, meaning more than 4 vertices, right? Going to do the same thing, Alt key down, click on this so it looks like that, press F. Now switch to your vertex select pose, click on this vertex right over here and this one, and all you have to do is press the J key, and if you do that, it will create the edge right across it. You can even do this manually, right? You could have selected this whole edge, subdivided it, and would have got that vertex and just joined them too. You can do it any way that you want to. Anyway, so now we have to do the same thing over here. Basically, we have to repeat this. Click on this X, and we're going to delete that edge. Click on this one, shift key down this one, same thing, F, right click this one, Alt key down and right click it, do F, Alt key down, right click this one, do F. Now notice that this is a triangle and we're going to take care of this later. So now I just want to show you that if you do the 7 key to go to your top view, press the 9 key, and here I'm just going to press the 6 key to rotate like this. The reason we have to do it this way is because of the way the palm is in real life, right? There's actually a curve. It curves in this direction towards the pinky, and that's why it's more below over here, okay? That's what gives the hand its look. So now what we want to do is actually go to the top view by pressing 7. We're now going to start to establish these pinky finger over here. So click on the face select mode, click on this face, and you're just going to do W smooth 1, 2, and then 3. Then you're going to click on this red arrow, take it to the left, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Now just rotate slightly with the middle mouse button to get this face over here. Go to your top view again. You're going to bring this out 1 and then 2, and you're just going to do W and then smooth 1 time over here. Do the same thing. Now you're going to rotate it this way with the middle mouse button. Click on this face right over here, right? It's right there in the bottom. Press the 7 key. Going to bring this out 1, 2, then you're going to smooth this out 1, 2, going to bring it out 1 time, W smooth again. Then click on this face, then bring it to the right 1, 2, W smooth, 1, 2, W, and then smooth. Okay, click on this face, do Control 1 to go to your back view, and just in the smaller grid units, you're just going to push it down one time like this, okay? And then A to D select over here. Okay, so now what you want to do is click on this, and just do do W smooth 1 and then 2. Then click on this, W smooth 1, 2. Click on this one, W smooth 1 and then 2. Now you're going to click on the vertex select mode, click on this vertex, do Control 1, and going to bring this up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, okay? I brought that up 5 nudges. Click on this one and only do one time over here. Click on this one, do one time over here. Now if you rotate, you'll see that this is bulging out. Now again, I'm just going to do W smooth to just put that back in. If you do tab, you'll see that we're starting to establish this nice shape over here. Okay, so for this guy over here, you're going to click on the face select mode, click on this face, shift key on this one and this one. Do Control 1. Going to bring this up 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to press the R key to rotate 1 and then 2. Then click on the edge select mode, click on this edge. You're going to do W smooth 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 over here. Click on this edge, which should be this top one, Control 1, and just bring it up one time over here. Okay. Okay, so next what you want to do, and if you do tab just to show you what's going on, right? We're starting to establish this area over here. We want to actually go to the top view over here, and we want to bring this guy over here. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's click on this vertex and just going to bring it out 1 and then 2, just to establish this over here. Okay, now I'm going to do A to D select. So for this one here, I'm going to click on this, press the period key, and just look at it from this end over here. So what you want to do over here is really just do W smooth 1 and then 2. It'll just take it a little bit to the right over here. And for this one, what you want to do is actually go press the 1 key over here. And what you're looking for is really just this vertex. We don't really want to move too much over here. Just one time over here is enough. You'll start to see that what we're doing is simply just establishing this area over here. Okay. So if you zoom out, you can see that it's starting to get more and more real. So now over here, I'm going to do Control 1 just to show you. What you want to do is just going to rotate it like this. Where you see these 3 vertices, just select on these 2, Control 1, and just going to bring it out a nudge down. Okay, and if you do tab, you'll see why we're doing this. It's really just establishing some basic general ideas here as to how the bones are going to go. So you'll get this really really slight odd feature over here, and this is really coming from where we had defined the palm. So we're going to do tab, click on the face select mode, click on these 4 faces, do Control 1. I'm just going to take it up 1 time, take it to the right, and just do W smooth 1 time, and it'll just take it out, right? And it'll start to establish this nice surface anatomy over here. So next, I'm just going to rotate it like this over here. Okay, what we want to do is actually remove, well, not really remove, just change it the way it looks. So I'm going to click on this edge, do Control A over here, and we're going to do Control A just like this. So it's just going to establish this X, and you can now dissolve this edge over here and just do tab, and it'll just take that away over there. Okay, and we're going to leave it like this over here because that's how we want this to look. Okay, so let's work on the pinky finger over here. How are we going to establish this? So it's pretty straightforward. Now, because this is a really odd design over here, we're going to look at it a little differently. So we're going to start with the edges. We're going to click on this edge. We're going to do W smooth 1, 2, then press the shift key down, click on this edge, do W smooth 1, 2, shift key down, click on this edge, do W smooth 1, and then 2. This is to help bring down that area. Now you're going to click on the face select mode, click on actually let's let's actually get this face over here before we get into this. We're actually going to start over here on this side first. Click on these two faces, do Control 1, and you're going to bring this down 1, 2, and then 3. Just zoom out and rotate it. Go to the edge select mode. Click on this edge, shift key down this one, do W smooth only one time. Then over here, click on this edge, shift key down this one, do W smooth 1, 2. Click on this edge, shift key down this one, do W smooth 1, 2. Click on this edge, shift key down this one, just do W smooth one time. Click on this edge, do W smooth one time. Okay, and what you want to do is actually go to your right view here first. Before we start messing with this, we're just going to establish some of these things here. Click on this, and you're going to bring this down only one time. Click on the vertex select mode, click on this vertex, take it to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 over here. Okay, now what you want to do is go to do Control 1, click on the face select mode, and you're going to click on these two faces. Go to the top view, you're going to bring this out 1, 2, and you're going to do W smooth 1 and then 2 over here. Do Control 1 again, then click on this one, press the 3 key to go to your right view, press the Z key and take it to the right one time, Z. Okay, so we've now established the basic forms of the fingers. So now what we're going to do is actually do Alt and click right here on this edge. This is what we wanted to do first, but we wanted to actually fix up the finger before we start turning this stuff. Okay, so let's do 3 over here. Now we're going to do R to rotate and only do one nudge over here. Put Alt key down, click on this edge loop, it'll select this whole thing, press R and rotate one time. Alt key down, click on this edge, do R and rotate one time. Alt key down, click on this edge, do R, rotate 1 and then 2 over here. Okay, so I did that 2 times in the end. Now you see why we're doing this is because the pinky finger is going to be rotated slightly. Okay, anyways, so now let's go to the back view, do A to deselect. Now we're going to smooth this out a little bit over here and start establishing the design of the pinky finger. So click on this face, shift key down, this. Select out all these faces, do W smooth 1 and then 2. Then only select on these 4 faces, do W and then smooth one time, do Control 1, and you're going to bring this down only one time over here. Switch to the edge select mode, click on this edge, shift key down this one, do Control 1 again. You're going to bring this out 1 and then 2 over here. Now just rotate it like this so you can see the bottom. Click on the face select mode, click on this face, shift key down, this. You're going to do W smooth one time over here, shift key down, deselect this one, do W smooth one time, do Control 1, and now you're going to bring this down one time over here. Click on these 2 faces, do W and smooth over here. Then click on these 3 faces, do W smooth 1 and then 2. Click on the edge select mode, click on this edge, do Control 1 over here. You're going to pull this out only one time like this. Now let's do Control R, scroll the mouse wheel, left click and then right click. Click on this edge, just rotate, get this edge, do Control 1 and you're going to do W smooth 1, 2, 3. Press the G key 2 times, 1, 2, and you're going to take it to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 over here. Now just rotate it like this. Click on this edge, shift key down this one, W smooth 1 and then 2. Click on this edge, do W smooth one time, then click on this edge, Control 1, and you have to bring it out one time over here. So this is just establishing this idea over here. So since we're already here, we're going to do the 3 key to go to the right view. Click on the faces, click on this face, shift key down this, and we're going to press the R key to rotate only one time, E to extrude, right click to get out of it, W and smooth. Press the Alt key down, click on this whole edge loop, W smooth only one time. Switch to the edge select mode, click on this edge, shift key down this one. You're going to press the G key 2 times. You're going to take it to the left, 1, 2, click on this edge and this edge, go back to your right view, press the G key 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. I'm moving the mouse to the right. Now basically we're creating the nail. So I'm going to do Control R, left click and right click. Click on these two guys, go to the back view, Control 1, take it out, click on these two edges. You're going to bring this down 1 time. Click on these two, press the G key 2 times. Take your mouse to the left slowly, 1, 2 over here. So you can see that what we're doing is establishing the nail. Now we don't have to do anything over here for the skin fold, because we can simply click on these two and just bring it down 1. Now we're going to let go of this snapping tool. Now I want you to bring this up slightly over here, okay? Just slightly. Click on these two edges. You're going to bring this down ever so slightly. Just bring it out a little bit over here, okay? Click on the vertex level, click on the snapping again, go to the right view, and click on these two vertices. Go to your right view. You're going to bring this down 1 and then 2 over here. Now click this off, go to your top view. So now if you do tab, you can see that we're starting to get the nail, and we're just going to fix this up just a little bit. And we want this to be a little crooked, not perfect, okay? So click on this and now just bring this up just slightly over here, so you can start to get this general idea of the nail. You can do the nail however you want to, right? I don't want it to be too crooked, but just a little crooked, maybe like this, okay? That's it. Now I'm going to go to the right view, press the tab key, and of course just bring this down over here. So here you can see that we've established the nail for this. Now over here, you'll see a slight bump. So go to your tab view, click on this and do the green arrow. Just bring it out just very slightly. Remember, these are super tiny movements over here. Anyways, do the tab key, do Control 1. Now go back to the snapping, do Control R 2 times. So left click, right click, and then switch to the edge select mode. It will be faster. Do W smooth 1 and then 2. Control 1, do 2 times over here. These two guys over here. Control R 2 times over here. And you're going to just select these two, just do W smooth 1 time over here. Okay, and now click on the face select mode. Click off this, and you're just going to bring this out very slowly, okay, not too much. Go to your right view, click on the snapping, then get this guy right over here and take it to the left 1 time, and just do tab. And just to show you what we have is the small finger define. So what we're going to do now is press the tab key and make sure that this is off, and you're just going to bring this in very, very slightly over here. Go to the top view. Now over here, you want to click on this edge and this edge. Look where I am, okay? I'm going, without the snapping, I'm just going to bring it out a little bit over here so I get this little curve. Then over here, same thing. I'm going to get these two edges on the top view and just bring it out very, very slowly, okay? Not too much. And A to deselect. If you do tab, you'll see that what we've done is establish this whole thing. Do tab over here, and you're just going to click on these two faces, do W smooth to bring this out over here, and just click on this edge over here just to Control 1 like this. So just bring this idea here and click on this face over here, just do smooth, okay? We don't want to mess too much with this area over here, okay? Okay, so what we've done is now established all the major ideas over here. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Let me go ahead and actually save this over here.